How to change someone's name on Instagram chat or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Now open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on message at the top right corner. Now simply open up your chat. Now simply tap on the name of the account. Now as you can see, there is no such option to change the name or set nickname. The nickname feature to change on Instagram is not available in all the regions. If it's available in a region, simply update Instagram and tap on nickname on this page to change the name. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.